This random faceless YouTube channel got fully monetized in under 30 days. Fast forward to today, they have over 100,000 subscribers, all because of one stupidly simple trick that literally nobody's talking about: targeting older viewers. You know, the people who actually finish a video instead of swiping away after 3 seconds. Other channels started copying them, and boom, same exact results. They're in the senior health niche, making thousands of dollars a month using basic AI videos. The craziest part, anyone can copy their exact system. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this success using a few AI tools. No cameras, no expensive studios, and definitely no massive production team. Just you and a laptop. Let's go. Step 1, the setup. Don't mess this up. First things first, setting up your channel the right way. The biggest mistake rookies make with faceless channels is rushing to upload a video before the account is even ready. Successful channels like Senior Food Blog don't do that. They treat their page like a legit brand from day one. Start with a clean, trustworthy name that actually fits your niche. If your brain is fried, just ask ChatGPT for ideas in health, food, tech, motivation, or whatever you're into. Once you have a name, slap together a simple profile picture and banner. Seriously, don't overcomplicate it. Clean and professional beats flashy and messy every single time. You can easily generate these using ChatGPT or Gemini. Oh, and I put all the exact prompts for names, logos, banners, and thumbnails in the description below to save you some time. Now, once your channel looks good, do not upload yet. You need to spend some time warming up the account naturally. Go watch videos in your niche, leave real comments, drop some likes, and subscribe to similar channels. Use this time to study their content and thumbnails too. This proves to YouTube that you're a real human and not a spam bot. More importantly, it feeds the algorithm early signals about who your audience is. So when you finally drop that first video, YouTube already knows exactly who to show it to. Step 2, creating your AI presenter. Next up, we need an AI avatar. For this, we're using AI Studios by DeepBrain AI, a complete all-in-one AI creation platform packed with features like interactive avatars, AI dubbing, video generation, AI image generation, built-in stock images, video editing, translation, and educational tools. You can even generate images and instantly use them as backgrounds directly inside the platform. But today, we're only focusing on the exact features you need for this specific faceless strategy. Head over to the AI Studios website and create a quick account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see all those features we just talked about. Look for AI avatars and click on it. Here, you'll see a massive library of ready-to-use AI presenters. For this niche, I'm picking a doctor character. Why? Because health channels get way more trust and views when the presenter looks professional. You can use their built-in filters to find the perfect style for your channel even faster. But what if you want something completely unique? You can actually make your own custom presenter. Just go to the custom avatar section and hit create avatar. The platform lets you build custom avatars with up to 10 different characters. You can either record yourself talking directly to your camera or upload an old video of yourself speaking, and the AI will clone you. This is an absolute game changer if you want to build a powerful personal brand without spending hours filming every week. Step 3, scripting and AI dubbing. Once you've locked in your avatar, the platform throws you right into the editor page. On the right side, you can paste in a script you've already written, or you can actually upload your own recorded audio file if you want the avatar to speak in your real voice. Don't have a script? No problem. Just use the built-in AI tools. Click AI Script Assistant and describe exactly what you want. For example, tell it to write a health education script for seniors with a calm, professional tone. Hit generate and boom, your script is ready. Quick heads up, while you're editing, you'll only hear the generated voice and the avatar will look like a frozen picture. Don't freak out when the lips aren't moving yet. Before we export, we need to tweak the avatar so it's easier to edit later. Click on the avatar, go to the top and hit remove BG, remove background. Push the avatar down a little bit. Then click the background section, hit detach from BG and delete that background layer completely. By doing this, you basically turn your avatar into a green screen character. This is a massive lifesaver later in editing because you can easily place your presenter anywhere on screen to match your visuals. Now look over at the left side. There are a ton of extra features to play with. You can add more avatars, drop in captions, use pre-made templates, or build out entire scenes without doing heavy manual editing. Seriously, feel free to explore and have fun with it. When you're happy with everything, hit export in high resolution and let it render. This is where the magic happens. Once it's done exporting, you'll finally see the avatar fully animated with realistic lip syncing and facial movements that match the script perfectly. The mouth movements look natural, the pacing is smooth, and honestly, it looks way more believable. Step 4, finding and generating visuals. This next part is exactly how channels like Senior Food Blog keep people watching. For your background visuals, you can grab free footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Just search for clips that match your topic, like seniors exercising, healthy food, doctors, or peaceful lifestyle shots. And don't stress about finding every single clip right now. Just get enough to start. If you're editing later and notice a spot feels empty or repetitive, you can always come back and grab more footage. But let's be real, sometimes finding the perfect clip takes forever and is incredibly frustrating. Maybe the exact scene in your head just doesn't exist on a stock footage site. Instead of wasting wasting hours searching, you can actually generate custom visuals right inside AI studios using their AI video generation tools. They have top-tier AI models like Kling and Veo built right in. So instead of endlessly scrolling online, you can just type out the scene you want and generate footage that matches your exact vision. Need a futuristic healthcare scene, a cinematic tech shot, or something emotional? Just create it instead of relying on generic stock clips. Honestly, the best workflow is a mix of both. Use free stock footage for the basic stuff and use AI generation when you need something highly specific or cinematic. This keeps your videos unique without making the process a total headache. Step 5. Editing everything together. Once you have your avatar clips, audio, and visuals ready, export them all and drop them into CapCut for the final edit. Add your subtitles, B-roll footage, soft transitions, background sound, and simple motion effects to keep people watching. Channels like Senior Food Blog keep their editing clean and easy to follow. Why? Because when you're targeting an older audience, clarity matters way more than flashy effects. You can also use simple zooms, change the visuals every few seconds, and use highly readable captions to keep people's attention without making the video feel overwhelming. And that is the entire workflow. A complete faceless content system inspired by channels like Senior Food Blog, powered by AI tools, and finished inside CapCut. What used to require a massive production team can now be done by one single creator using modern AI workflows. And honestly, this is probably just the beginning of where AI content is going. That is it for this video. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.